Good morning and welcome aboard Air Asia Flight Z2714 to Manila. We apologize for the delay of this flight and any inconvenience caused. Thank you for your patience. The commander of this flight is Captain Darwin Suico, assisted by First Officer Ryan Ganaban, and I am your senior cabin crew Maris together with me are Jonas, May, and Jesh. This flight will take 45 minutes. Put your seat upright, ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened, stow your tray table, and open your window shade. Please switch all your electronic devices to flight mode. Smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited. E-cigarettes are to be switched off and batteries removed. The charging and usage of e-cigarettes are strictly prohibited. Magandang umaga at maligayang pagdating sa AirAsia. Ito po ang AirAsia Flight Z2714 patungong Manila. Humihingi po kami ng paumanhin sa pagkaantala ng ating pag-alis. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pangunawa. Ang flight na ito ay pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Darwin Suico sa tulong ni Unang Opisyal Ryan Ganaban at ako po si Maris, ang inyong senior cabin crew kasama sina Jonas, May at Jesh. Tayo po ay lilipad ng 40 minuto. Pinakikiusapan ng lahat ng panauhin na ituwid ng mga sandalan, tiklupin ng mga mesa, buksan ng tabing ng mga